What is up, y'all? It's your girl, Dr. Carrie, broker owner of Abundantly Anchored Realty and Design, and welcome back to another video on my YouTube page. I am standing outside my client Patrick's house, and if you don't remember Patrick's house, this was the home where he bought a new construction home, but he didn't get everything in it that he wanted. So he hired me to come in and redesign some of the spaces, such as the dry bar. It was a closet, and we transformed it into a dry bar. We also did an extended patio. We also did some accent walls, redesigned some closets, put up some shelving, which was so unique because he just gave me a tour and it looks absolutely amazing. He has done wonders to make this home so cozy. So this is part 2 of the design project, like I told y'all in that first video. But what happened here is HOA did not give us the approval yet for the full gym and sauna. However, we are still gonna move forward with the sport court. So right behind me, our contractors already come and they've already measured and laid everything out so that we're gonna be ready to create a half-court basketball court outside. So this is the blank canvas I wanted to show you, and so get ready. This should only take maybe about 30 days max because we have to lay the foundation, allow it to dry, and then come back and paint. But this is gonna be a half-court basketball court right outside. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. This is part 2 to design project, and I can't wait for y'all to see what this is gonna look like. And make sure you go back and check out the full transformation of part 1, because if you're interested in hiring me or my firm to come in and redesign some spaces in your home, I would love to do it. All you need to do is head on over to my website and book a consultation. As always, it's your girl, Dr. Carrie. Y'all stay blessed, y'all stay anchored, and y'all stay tuned until next time.